Hey there, Tech Aburos. I told you in the last video that you'll be seeing my face a lot more often here, and I'm back again with another review. Today, I'll be reviewing the Asus ROG Flow Z13. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 is, it's a laptop and a tablet, so you can call it a hybrid gaming laptop that packs a punch with its Intel Core i7 16GB RAMs and RTX 3050 graphics card. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can a device this small and portable really deliver the kind of gaming and creative experience or performance that we need from the ROG lineup? Well, that's exactly what we are here to find out. So stick with me, let's find out together. In this review, I'll be covering everything you need to know, from the build quality, the design, the performance, display, audio, even the battery life. Plus, I'll run some real-world gaming performance and experiences to test and see how it holds up in the heat of battle and under creative workload. So if you are thinking about picking up this Asus ROG Flow Z13 or you're just curious about what it offers, stick around because I'm about to put this machine through its paces. Now, the first thing we'll look at is the build. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 is incredibly sleek and well designed. It is super lightweight at around 1.1 kg, which is pretty impressive for something that has this much serious hardware. The materials feel premium with a very sturdy magnesium alloy frame that gives it a durable yet quite modern look. Now, the detachable keyboard, RGB keyboard for that matter, is a nice addition which gives it the extra flexibility to go full tablet. We've also got vents on the back for airflow, and the internals are easily accessible, so you can upgrade or maintain it down the line. Sadly, there's no extra SSD slot for more storage, which is sort of a downside, but not really a downside. On the connectivity front, the Flow Z13 does not disappoint. It has the Thunderbolt 4, the USB-C, the USB-A, and a proprietary port for the XG eGPU dock, so you can beef up its graphic performance if needed in the long run. The display on this unit is a 13.4-inch WUXGA 1920 by 1200 touchscreen with a 16:10 aspect ratio, giving you more vertical space. It's a perfect balance between sharpness and performance with a 120Hz refresh rate for smoother gaming and creative tasks. Now, the touch sensitivity is spot on, whether you are gaming or you are sketching or you are just scrolling. I tell you, it feels very great. Another thing is the screen is bright, the colors are vibrant, and the 16:10 aspect ratio helps when you are multitasking or working on content creation projects like video editing or music production. Although it's not 4K, but for its size, the WUXGA is more than enough and helps conserve battery life. Now, talking about performance, this version of the ROG Flow Z13 is powered by an Intel Core i7 with 16GB of RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU with 4GB of video RAM. With its 12th-gen processor, it is great for handling multitasking, gaming, even content creation activities like video editing or music production. Now, I ran several tests to push this machine to its limit, and it sort of held up well, beyond my expectation anyways. So for those of you into creative work, I tested it with photo editing tools and a bit of video editing in Premiere Pro. No hiccups when layering tracks and rendering video, though heavier tasks saw a bit of slowdown, especially without the external GPU. But for most creators, this setup is more than helpful. And while we are here, if you are finding this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to help more people find this video. Now let's move on to the audio quality. The audio is quite solid for a tablet form factor, but nothing super extraordinary. It's decent enough for casual media consumption and gaming, though serious content creators and audiophiles will likely want to plug in external speaker or use high-quality headphones. It does support Dolby Atmos, so you get a bit of an edge in sound quality, especially when using compatible devices. For the webcam, we have a 5-megapixel IR camera used for taking selfies, logging in via Windows Hello, and for video calls. And as usual for tablets, there's also a main camera at the back which has a resolution of 13 megapixel. Now, videos and photos are still recorded in 2 megapixel or Full HD. But the quality of the webcam is slightly better than most laptop models. The battery of this unit is decent, but don't expect it to last through an entire gaming session. You get a few hours of moderate use, say maybe 5 to 6 hours for light browsing, for watching videos, but once you start proper gaming or working on intensive tasks, that number quickly drops down to about 2 to 3 hours. Now, it's not bad considering the power it is packing, but have that charger nearby. It will be very useful. Now, speaking of the charger, it is relatively compact for a gaming laptop, especially this size when you are traveling. And the USB-C is also another plus if you're already carrying USB-C devices. Now let's dive deeper into gaming. With the RTX 3050, you can run most modern games smoothly at medium or high settings. I tested titles like Assassin's Creed, Call of Duty Black Ops, and it's not bad for a portable device. I'll be honest, I wasn't really expecting much because of its size, but all-round performance, speed, and the coloring is just what you need for a content creator. Now, I also ran Cinebench and Geekbench tests to give you a better idea of the performance. For Geekbench, I have 2247 single core score and 8911 for multi-core score. Personally, I'll say that it's not that bad. It's actually pretty decent, at least compared to other gaming laptops. In conclusion, the ROG Flow Z13 is a versatile machine that performs well in gaming, content creation, and general use. It's not perfect. Battery life could be better, and the RTX 3050 isn't the most powerful GPU. But for a portable device that you can take anywhere, it's going to be hard to beat. So, if you are looking for a device that can game, create, and you can take around with you for your daily tasks, all in a sleek and portable form factor, the Flow Z13 should be on your radar. Now, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.